I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the Zimbabwe Herd Book Beef School. This is our premier event of the year. It's a 2.5-day event of the year, and we will be hosting our 10th edition this year. And what it is, it's a 2.5-day event held in Bulawayo, and over those 2.5 days we have a wide range of speakers, regional, international, local speakers, talking on a wide range of issues affecting the beef industry. Genetics, nutrition, health, marketing. And so this is an opportunity to understand what's going on in your industry and pick up from the different people that are attending and presenting, and also interacting with your fellow neighbors and finding out what they're doing and how they're getting along in the beef production. So we're very happy to host this event once again, and it's a highlight of our year, and we think it's a highlight of the beef calendar. Thank you.